Hello students, very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine. Now let us start our lesson with Ganesh Slok. So all of you please join your hands and close your eyes. Let us recite Ganesh Slok. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Okay students, I hope you have completed your previous homework. Have you completed? Yes, very good. So my all the students are very clever. Yes, so and please those students who have not completed, please complete it as early as possible. Right students? Now take out your English book. Right? Last time we have learned U joining letter. Right? It means हम vowels के साथ consonants joining letters पढ़ रहे हैं. Right? One more thing students, as I have told you frequently this, that please make a practice of writing, right, other than this book, so that you also having a beautiful writing. Okay students, so make a practice for the same in your rough book also if you have your time. Okay, otherwise complete this homework. Okay students, now open your book. First of all, as usual, we will start with what? Yes, the revision work. Right students? So let us start revision work first. Thereafter we will take the last joining letter. Okay, so are you ready students? Come on, so take out and open your book. First of all, we are go for revision work. Okay, so you just have to look on the screen only, right? Okay, last time we have learned O and thereafter consonants. Okay, तो O vowel के साथ हमने पढ़ा था, right? Now you just have to look on the screen. This is just the revision part. O A, O B, thereafter O D, O E, O F, O G, thereafter O H, O I, O J, O K, O L, thereafter O M कैसे लिखेंगे? O M, O N, O N on होता है ना students? Thereafter double O, thereafter O P. Thereafter O Q. Thereafter O R और होता है O S O T. T के बाद U. U के बाद O V. V के बाद O W. Thereafter O X. Okay. Second last O Y and O Z. Okay students, till here we have learnt. Today we will start with U और A. ओके यानी U हमारा लास्ट वोवेल्स है. अगेन रिपीट कर रही हूँ. A E I O U. These are 5 vowels, right? तो हम उस वोवेल्स के साथ हम कॉन्सोनेंट्स लिखने की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. U A. Thereafter U B कैसे लिखेंगे? Like this way. Thereafter U C. U D. U E. Thereafter U F. ओके, F के बाद कौन सा अल्फाबेट आएगा? G. A U G. U H U I U J U K. ओके, वन मोर टाइम मैंने लिख लिया. राइट. K के बाद U L. U L. L के बाद U M. M के बाद U N. Thereafter U O U P up. ओके, तो U P up. ओके, thereafter U Q U R U S. अस होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये 2 लेटर वर्ड्स है. अस. U T U U. ओके, U U. Thereafter U V U W U X U Y and last U Z. Okay students, so this is all about the cursive joining letters. Okay my dear children, so हमने ये क्यों सीखा वो भी मैं आपको थोड़ा ब्रीफली बता दूं, बिकॉज आप मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पेलिंग देखोगे बच्चों, तो वो सब जो लेटर्स होंगे वो या वोवेल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स के दोनों के साथ से ही बने होंगे। इट मीन्स आप कोई भी स्पेलिंग देखोगे तो उसमें वोवेल्स भी होंगे और कॉन्सोनेंट्स भी होंगे, तो there is a need to write along with the vowel and consonants. Okay, so we have learnt vowels और consonants को साथ में कैसे लिखेंगे, because most of the spelling you will find that is writing along with vowels and consonants, दोनों ही होंगे उसके अंदर, right? आप कोई भी स्पेलिंग लेके देख सकते हैं। Okay students, so here we have conclude. Next time we will meet. Till tab tak, goodbye, take care, please complete your work accordingly. Goodbye.